Have you ever found yourself at the end of a wonderful conversation, needing to depart but wanting to leave the door open for another chat? Knowing how to say a polite, temporary farewell can make all the difference, creating a warm, lasting impression, especially when you are connecting with people in a new place. When you want to say goodbye for now in Irish, the phrase you are looking for is Slán go fóill. This beautiful expression captures that very sentiment perfectly. It is a friendly way to indicate that your parting is not permanent and you anticipate seeing or speaking with the person again. The phrase Slán go fóill literally translates to safe until later. Slán means safe or healthy, which is often used as a general farewell similar to how we use goodbye or farewell in English. The addition of go fóill refines it, adding the specific meaning of for now or for a while. This reflects a cultural appreciation for continuity and the expectation of future interactions. To use Slán go fóill effectively, simply say it as you are leaving a conversation or a gathering. It is suitable for both casual and more formal settings where you expect to meet the person again soon. For example, if you are finishing up a coffee with a new acquaintance, or wrapping up a chat with a shopkeeper you will likely see again, this phrase is ideal. It is a lovely way to acknowledge the pleasant interaction and express hope for another. While Slán go fóill is perfect for a temporary departure, you might also hear Slán lít, which means goodbye with you, or Slán lib, which is the plural for saying goodbye to more than one person. Learning these subtle distinctions in Irish farewells truly enriches your interactions. It shows a genuine effort to engage with the language and its nuances, which is always appreciated by native speakers. So, the next time you are enjoying the friendly company of new friends or welcoming faces in Ireland and it is time to part ways for a bit, remember, Slán go fóill. Using this phrase will not only communicate your temporary departure but also convey a warm, respectful wish for their well-being until your paths cross again, enhancing your cultural experience and connections.